Today, I'm here with a great video to grab the attention of gamers. Yes, that's right. We're going to review the best gaming monitors of 2024. In this video, we're going to cover the 5 best gaming monitors with the latest technology that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Which one might be right for you? Which one can make your games more vivid? We're here to answer those questions. So, without wasting any time, let's start this exciting technology journey. If you like the video and would like to be notified about similar content on our channel, don't forget to subscribe. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 is one of the world's first devices with 4K and 240Hz panels. It provides excellent performance in the best gaming monitor category. It offers high resolution without stuttering in games. At the same time, the Core Sync feature of the device automatically adjusts the RGB lighting behind it to match the screen content. In addition, the monitor supports dual HDMI 2.1 ports and one DisplayPort 1.4 connection. With the device's next-generation technology features, it is possible to enhance superior professional gaming performance. It is also fully compatible with VESA standard monitor arms. You can easily rotate, tilt, and adjust the height of the screen. Overall, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 is an ideal choice for enthusiastic gamers. The Alienware 34 QD-OLED is one of the first OLED panels with quantum dot technology. With its wide color gamut and excellent refresh rate, the NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate was one of my favorite monitors of the year. Moreover, its affordability is one of the most important reasons for choosing it. The device is curved in appearance. It also provides an immersive gaming experience for simulation and shooter games. With its 34-inch screen, the monitor offers an ultra-wide gaming view. Moreover, the total weight of the device is 3 kilos lighter than its predecessor. Overall, the Alienware 34 QD-OLED has a sleek design that sets it apart from other gaming monitors. And with the elegant RGB LED lights, it's a true reflection of the Alienware brand. Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 device provides a brighter color burst with its screen developed with Neo quantum processor. At the same time, it provides a fast competitive advantage with a 175Hz display ever produced. Overall, the device's premium metal finish, basic lighting design, and super thin bezel allow you to take your focus to the next step. Thanks to the device's advanced Neo quantum processor, the entire image frame on OLED panels is analyzed instantly, ensuring maximum image quality. This means that even the most complex game scenes are displayed smoothly and consistently. For this reason, Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 can be an excellent choice for gamers. The Gigabyte M32U is a 32-inch and 4K mid-range gaming monitor. It's built with gaming in mind, such as variable refresh rate support. It also has many productivity features. The device is generally ergonomic to use and has a good tilt range and swivel capability. The overall features of the Gigabyte M32U monitor system add a whole new dimension to the gaming experience. Providing smooth on-screen performance, the device offers a smooth gaming experience with high frame rates. The system, which appeals to users of all levels, combines a thin screen bezel with a matte finish stand and provides an eye-catching appearance. The LG UltraGear 27GR93U is one of the most sought-after monitor systems with features designed specifically for gamers. The device supports variable refresh rate up to 144Hz. Tested by NVIDIA, it is officially certified G-Sync compatible. This ensures an excellent gaming experience with minimal stuttering and very little tearing. The adjustable screen base and near bezel-less design make it easier to focus. The screen height, tilt, and axis can be easily changed for comfortable gaming. Overall, the device maximizes the chances of victory in games, so all you need is to focus on the game and outplay your opponents one by one.